Looking to start up a new career in security? Well, we can provide just what you need to get started. Our Level 3 award in intruder alarm installation will provide you with a solid grounding in all areas of intruder alarms and security, teaching you relevant practical skills to professional staff. Y-Cube, with over 12 years of experience in training, hands-on training and additional services such as CV audience, job search aid and firm startup support, we can help you succeed in your future. All of our courses are NCFB accredited, meaning you can get that security of a career after training through our qualification. The course will be taught at our training centre in Gravesend and it will take 3 days to complete. The course will cover both practical and a written exam, which you will sit at the end of the course. But do not worry, if you fail the first time round, you can re-sit the exam for free. For further information on our courses, do not hesitate to call us at 0333 004 6005 or email us at sales@cctvdvrsystem.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.